shield in my kingdom. This is for all of them.
I see you want to die, woman. You can never defeat me. I am Igwe. I give you 3 counts to get out of my compound. 3 counts, else you'll be dead.
This time they follow you play. They're mad! Make nobody touch that casket! Anybody want to try and go collect water? I don't want to go ask question, I don't whine. Anybody do anyhow for this place, I go buy that person, I go buy all of them, nothing go stop. I don't want to go ask question. My king must be buried in this kingdom, in his palace, by his people. Anybody want to do anyhow, go collect water. Now they feel me? This casket is not leaving this place. I love war. Now me be war. I was born for war. Let's not the wine for this place. I get to date you. Nothing they enter my body. Okay, I see. I know say una carry odechi. I prepare for una come. I have your cure. Don't worry. Una mind go day.
Declared interest in anything and lost.
There is always a first time. This time, you will lose.
Great Royal Zumakosa fraternity.
Zumakosa.
I summon all the spirit of the royal dead amongst us to join us. You are all welcome. As the supreme leader of Zumakosa fraternity, it is time for us to appoint and coronate our supreme leader, the King of Kings, the one who is going to make the rules and govern the entire earth. He is going to decree a thing and take over all the activities of the world. We shall enthrone him with powers and might to foresee and control all our affairs, both physical and spiritual. As we all know, King Ezeka here is the next in line to take the mantle of leadership. But someone amongst us has an objection to this.
That person is me, Igwe Mpume. Obune Chendo wa Namanato. I object because I am interested in that position. I want to be King of Kings.
Great Royal Kings of Zumakosa fraternity.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty.
Greetings, my friend.
Okosisi, you're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, my friend. Igwe Ezeka.
Okosisi.
I came to tell you that when the truth is being betrayed, it is said that the just has been compromised. You will need to tread with caution henceforth.
Okosisi, Mbume is daring me. Me, Esaka Niyato. Mbume has betrayed the trust I had in him.
My friend, one of the attributes of a great leader is his refusal not to accept defeat. Do not allow Igwe Upome to take what is rightfully yours.
Okosisi, you talk as if you don't know me again. I am not a weakling, neither am I a coward. I tell you what, instead of Ume to take over the mantle of leadership, Zumakosa fraternity will become history.
I trust you, my friend, and I promise to always stand by your side.
Can I tell you something? One of your biggest problems is pride. So you called me to your house to tell me to step down for you for a position that is meant for me. Nkume, I am meant. You take about 500 million. Don't you know that I am a very rich king? What is your problem? That position cannot be dreaded, and you know that. I cannot sit here and listen to all these baldabash from Ume. I can't sit here and watch him take what rightfully belongs to me.
Of course you will sit and watch it happen, and I will take it. Because I have the capacity to be king of kings, which you do not have.
You snitching bastard! How dare you?
How dare me? You insult me, Ezeka, since when? Most dreaded king of our time, you want to die? How dare you?
Look at you, Ume.
Enough! I thought you both have resolved this peacefully after our last meeting.
There's nothing to resolve here. After all, you know how the water entered the coconut. Henceforth, you cease to be my friend.
To hell with your friendship, I do not need it. You will not be king over me, never.
We shall see.
Let us see now. Coward. Bloody coward. You should have stayed back to fight me. And Great Zumakosa.
Zumakosa.
My king, the husband of my youth, the Igwe gburugburu nke mbụ na-enye ya atọ kingdom. Nwoke pụtara ma na nwoke pụtara dimkpa ezigbo di m. You know me very well. That is because you are my friend. You are not just a friend. You are my best friend. You are my lover. You are my ally. Please, I crave your indulgence. Tell me what perturbs you. I have watched you closely these few days, and I know that something is really not going the way you want. I beg of you, talk to me. Please.
Fine.
You're fine.
Yes. Yes. I'm fine. Come on. My lord, an adage says that when truth is betrayed, the just has been compromised. I'm just wondering why the change all of a sudden. You and I know that it is my turn to become the King of Kings.
Igwezeka, watch your tongue. Or are you accusing me of bribery?
You know better than I do. With all due respect, leave my palace.
Igwezeka, make hay while the sun shines. I advise you to step down for Igwe Ume, your friend, to avoid Ijop and Ab.
Leave my palace now. Leave.
See them evil men, occult men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of.
We are calling on another person. Oh, no. I see the home. I see the home. Bukati!
Bugatti! Bugatti! Bugatti!
Yes.
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 We are calling on another person.
Who
say?
Yes.
And we are calling on Imagi.
Challenge you, Bugatti. Challenge you,
I am coming back from Iyoba, and I found out that the land I sent you and your elder sister to go and kill her, you people did not do it. So it has gotten to the extent that I will send my own children something to do, they will not do it.
Mama, sister will do it now. She asked me to wash her clothes. Sister will clear the farmland.
Which your sister? Your sister that I had that have gone to Umuchu with that stupid for their stupid wrestling fight. Anyways, any day they will break her waist or bring back her dead body in this house, she will know the kind of woman I am.
God forbid, Mama. Mama, I reject it. My sister will not die. Mama, listen. My sister is a great fighter in this village and beyond. Mama, my sister gives you money she makes from this wrestling. Talk to her now. Or are you afraid of her?
Okay. So what you are trying to tell me is that I'm afraid of your sister. Don't worry. Let me go to that farmland tomorrow and see those bushes there. If I come back, I will just lock up my kitchen. Nobody will eat or not drink. Come and take some of my clothes and wash them. Very well, oh. I'm afraid of your sister.
You push just kill me in this house. You push just kill me. Me, I'm not doing anything again, no.
Ebele. Inu ife nkuru bia chira kwam case house so. Bia hori osi so. Anamato one nega.
Calm down.
You are collect oh.
Relax, we need a fight. Now me they manage you.
Manage and do shit. Give me money, Joe. Try am. Give me this thing. Give me this. Give me. Do fast. Counter is supposed to be 20 pa. No problem. No worry. You complete? You complete. But wait, I ask you one question. I don't understand what they suck. Why they carry boys so you don't get power? You give me make I fight. Give me men where now, men where get strength. All those kind of people I want to meet.
Shebu they travel go on that place. Don't worry, you go see men where you go fight with. You go fight today. You go see other than any word. But still give me the thing I ask you. You understand?
What you I don't understand anything. What you talk?
The thing I ask you now.
You know, collect your share before you give me. You get long throat. Okay, move they go. Fight plenty. I go give you money. Move they go. Move, I beg.
Not like this. Don't shake it. Ejike, you see that girl? I swear, I don't beat that girl finish. You remain small, make I finish her up. I swear. Just shut up. Shut up your mouth. Just shut your life if it is possible. What be this? No, what do we call this? My money? My bet money? Just they go like that. On who? Common woman. Wanya. A woman that bent down to pass you lead. Huh? You could not fight her. You could not, you and don't catch, you could not beat this. Ha!
That guy try himself, but that guy is funny for himself.
I told me no. I don't want to hear your voice because your own case is the worst. Yes! Because you convinced me to bet for catch. At the end of the day, fight did not even start. I will blow away in one. See, at this point now, not anybody won't tell me that guy they use juju. That guy they use jazz. I swear, it's not that juju that guy they use. Put that for do that girl.
Guy,
put that for do that girl. I forbid that girl blue and black. Not anybody won't tell me.
Guy, make I tell you something. Nothing like jazz, nothing like juju. See, make I tell that power and follow come.
Which can follow come be that?
I'm not even that girl get skills for fight.
I beg, forget skills. Which skills?
Shame on
which skills? Shame on you. Shame. Shame on you people. You feel like them. Shame. Shame on you people. Look at the way you're talking about a woman. Manya. A woman. Ordinary woman. You're here talking about her. You could not fight. Ha! Come. You don't talk past your mouth. I don't dare to look. You don't talk past your mouth. If I slap you, I swear if I slap you, you no go hear for 2 years. What did they worry you? Why you no go fight? Yes. Why you no fight? You don't be man you be. Why you no go fight? How much you even bet to go make me go kill myself? You the Chris? No, you the Chris. On top of my money. Yeah, now you come no. Waka. Do you know how I made this money? You malala she went take going. Do you know how I made it? And the queen of follow me on. In that case, if you did not win her in the next fight, hey, Chibuana, let me tell you, if you do not win her in the next fight, you will give me back my money. If you give you any money, make you bend. The next fight that you go fight, I be like the crazy. If you never go just slap, give you any money. Talk to me again, make I bend. Nani the work. Nobody go say from ana from Mozo. Could you follow Chasia Ganya ba? Follow him. Ano power. Nani ana from Mozo. Chitalo, Bifitalo, Wanya, keep question. You could not fight a woman. No. Wanya kate. I like all the you could not fight a woman. Ha!
What are you doing here? Can you believe me? I'm asking you, what are you doing here? Mama, what's in the shop now? Every time you go, they para, what's happen? Nobody go fit injure me. They never born the person when go injure me. I carry my papa wrestling blood, enter this world, you don't whine. Nobody go fit do anything to me. Nobody go fit try nonsense. You go punk me, oh. Zita, you want to kill me before my time. You want to kill me before my time. Don't you know you are a woman? If I be a woman, what's it gonna happen? Okay, because I be a woman, make I be leg better, make I be ogbolo or agiti. You no go feel pure. That's not pure.
Mama, I need to do anything bad. Chizzy, don't forget the fight with Nollywood.
Mama, no. What is it? Uncultured animal. Will you get her from here? I'm talking to my daughter. You're bringing another topic. What is it? Mama, what it be this? Mama, they like all this kind of thing, no. I'm gonna leave this house for now. Stop this rubbish now. I don't like them. You want to injure them? You want to kill me before my time, Abby? Listen, I did not give birth to you for you to kill me in this house. Today marks the end of this wrestling fight. Today. Oh, yeah, that thing. You say what thing? Today marks the end. I'm not gonna triumph. My pride, my talent, make I end up because of you. It not go happen. The wine, bet me. Take, use and go buy that bag for your women meeting to the disturb.
Citra, you didn't tell me that you are giving me the money today now. Thank you.
When are you going for the next wrestling fight? I'm just saying all these things so that you will be careful, You see this wrestling, God will bless you from it. You know, go anywhere you want to fight the wrestling, go. Just go. I'm in support of you. Just be very careful, Just be very.
Mama, you love money. You love money. Hey!
Sit down.
You love money. Mama, you love money.
My daughter gave me money and you say that I love money. Give me like Rego. Don't you like money? Eh? Just go inside. Ewu. Zitere, about your manager, I will not say it again. Just be very careful. Hey.
Akuma, what kind of dream is that?
It's not a dream. It was a revelation. Our king belonged to a great society.
What?
Yes. It was so real.
Don't speak the ill of our king like that though. Nobody will believe it's a dream. Akuma, I know, in fact, everybody knows that you have this gift of vision. But please, do not say something that will put us into trouble. The ones have ears, don't forget.
Okay. Our king died. Other kings came in for his body. I saw a girl. I don't know her. She withstood them. They were battling in exchange of power. You needed to have seen what I saw.
Enough already, please. You're getting me scared. That's enough, please.
It is well.
Son, this is where you are. What's going on? The maid said you refused to take your meal. What is the problem?
Mom, you know there is no way I cannot eat along with you without my father. Unlike him, he skipped breakfast, lunch, and he's always wearing a worried face. Mom, what is wrong with that?
Son, I have tried to find out what is wrong with your father, but he refused to budge. But do not worry, okay? He will come around. Right? That's not the reason you should not eat.
Mom, you should do well to find out what is going on with him. He's your best friend and your husband. At least you should have a hint.
Yes, he's my best friend. But sometimes, best friends need to stay apart to clear their heads. Do not worry. Your father will come around. Let's go and eat. Okay?
Why have you become ungrateful all of a sudden? After all I did for you. I stood by you. I fought your battles. I took dangerous bullets for you, all in the name of friendship. And what do I get in return? Betrayal. Why are you dragging the position you know that is rightfully mine? Why?
Everything you did for me, I also did for you. So you cannot blackmail me. You will never be king of kings. Not while I'm alive. Ezeka, in your best interest, step down.
Else what? I said, else what? Who and what the hell do you think you are? And what can you possibly do to me? Iwe Ezeka of Iyabo. Have you suddenly forgotten who I am?
Of course I know who you are. You are nothing. Ezeka, you are standing before the most dreaded king alive. Igwempume. Step down, Ezeka. I will not say it again. Step down. You will do so in peace or in pieces.
Mother, I do not know what is wrong with my husband. He has been awkward lately. Huh? I do not know. Maybe I should come over to see you. I'll call you back. Young man.
One of the reasons they have doors to people's room is to remind entrants to knock before entering.
Mother, I'm sorry, Mother. Father.
Your father? He is not here. Is he not in his study?
Father is back and he's not even in his study. He's in the old house, drunk with his guards.
You don't say that. My husband, drunk? How could he get drunk?
Are you serious with what you're saying right now? My husband drunk?
You should have rested. You like stressing yourself. You know you just returned from wrestling.
Mama, don't tire. If I go farm tomorrow, I will finish the remaining work.
No, you will not go to that farm alone tomorrow. You and your sister will go and finish it. Okay?
That reminds me, where Ebere yourself?
Ebere went to the market.
Mama, beg, I'm very thirsty. I won't drink water.
Okay, let me get you.
No, okay now, Mama. No, okay now, be this. So see my guy. Okay now.
Are you right with this?
Yes.
Now your car be this.
I am back.
Is this your machine?
Eh?
Now you get this car.
This is one of them.
One of them.
This one just came in.
Hey, my guy. See my G. I'm so happy to see you.
So you have plenty cars. Come.
So you're rich.
Let me tell you one thing. This is no longer the Okenna I used to know. This is a good in a boot in Germany. Ezibonyego, hard currency.
Now you don't know that.
Too much money.
See my G. I don't feel your vibes.
This is a good in a boot.
Ego in a boot.
Too much money.
Too much money.
Sit down.
Hey, sit down. Now you like this? Hard currency.
Mama, my friend is rich.
Hey. Okay now.
You don't tell.
Yes, it's me. Wow.
See your machine.
I said one of them. One of them.
One of them.
This one just entered today. Tata. Yes.
So your money surplus.
Too much money.
You dey wine. Welcome. What I go give you now?
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Look, I give you water, cold water. See where the hot.
I am satisfied seeing you.
Abi, my G. Welcome.
Miss, if I dey happy to see you too.
Zitere, I am back because of you.
Why you dey whine yourself? Which one be you are in this village because of me? I better talk another thing. Talk what carry you come Nigeria.
Firstly, I want to take you to Europe. I'm boiling again. You see, Zitere, you are very, very good in wrestling. Yes. And you are very famous in these 7 kingdoms. I watched your clip yesterday where you were beating men. Like beating men like a man. Come on. You're a very strong girl. Growing up with you, you used to beat me. Even as we've grown, you're still beating me. Like you are still beating me like a baby. Sister, come on. You have the talent. You have the power. You have the skills. Not just that. You are very passionate about this. Come on. Let me take you to Europe. Let me take you to Germany. Come on. You need to be an international wrestler. You see, let the whole world know you. And I'm willing and ready to make this happen.
Hey! Wait, you won't carry me go abroad like this? Eh?
Zitere, not just that.
What's it again?
Zitere, I want to marry you. Because I love you so much.
What the Lord has done for me, come and see. What the Lord has done for us, come and see.
What the Lord has done for me.
If it's there to be mine, I will really, Mama will really come and see. Oh, what the Lord has done for me, come and see. What the Lord has done for me, come and see. What the Lord has done for us, if it's there to be mine, I will really.
Okay, nah. I don't miss you. 6 good years or more. Wait, you sure say you no get white woman for that place? You no say you dey like white women. You sure say you never marry one Igbo woman for that place?
Zita, you can never change. No, you know me very well. I don't do that.
You sure? Say you never give woman belle? Eh?
Zita, you can never change. I actually came back to this village because of you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, not just because of that house my father bought for me. I came because of it.
But that house fine, no? You dey get yourself, oh.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too. Oh. I miss you so much, oh.
My baby, my baby.
Eh?
I love you.
I love you too.
Huh?
I love you too.
See it again.
I love you.
With your heart.
With my heart and my soul. So finally, the rejected stone is going to abroad. So finally, the rejected stone go marry her childhood friend. You see this life, eh? It is not good to rush things. Be patient. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. If you tell me, say me, I go abroad, I go believe her. So I go abroad. Come go, they do international things. I come meet people, come they fight international fights. Hey! God, oh, thank you. So finally, I go carry my family come up from poverty. I cannot wait. My mama don't too suffer. That woman don't too suffer. God, thank you. Thank you. Hey!
My king, my husband has been acting funny lately. I think something is eating him up.
Did he tell you what it is?
No. I've tried to find out what it is several times over, but each time I asked, he would be like, nothing, nothing. But deep down, I know something is not cool with my husband. Did he by any chance talk to you about it? I know you are his best friend and he always confides in you. Okay, if he did not talk to you, I crave your indulgence. Try to find out what is wrong with my husband because he is losing it gradually. I want us to find out whatever it is before it is too late. Please.
Do not worry. Soon, your husband will tell you what is eating him up.
anyone amongst you who is in support of King Ezeka to become the King of Kings should indicate by raising up his hands. Thank you very much. Anyone amongst you who is in support of King Ngume to become the King of Kings should indicate by raising up their hands. As you can see, majority carries the vote. By the power bestowed upon me as the leader of this great Zumakosa fraternity, I hereby pronounce...
Never! Oh my dead body. It's either I become the King of Kings or Zumakosa fraternity ceases to exist. Okosisi, even you, woman, you will never rule over me. It will be over my dead body. I regret being friends with you. You can always call on me in times of trouble. I'm sure you know I will always be there for you. Don't worry yourself. I will take your burdens away.
Ezeka Odogwu, you've always been a good friend. Not just a good friend, a brother. A trusted brother. Thank you for all your support.
Woman, I will crush all your enemies and make them bow at your feet. As for that forest, consider it yours.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ezeka. Hey, Odogwu. Odogwu.
You're my brother. I will do anything for you.
Same here. Trust me, I will do anything for you. So tell me, Ezeka, when will you be returning from Cambodia?
In 2 weeks' time.
No, so I'll be waiting for you. Ezeka Odogwu is one mother. Thank you. No individual is bigger than the fraternity. Great Zumakosa.
Zumakosa.
Cizitera,
Your Majesty.
no matter the force, do not allow them to take my body away. I want my body to be buried in my palace. Do not allow them to take my body away. Do not allow them to take my body away.
What is it?
Jesus! He just told me they passed through the town. They had the sound of echo. Wait, was he sick? No. He can't use with this. This is unbelievable. Mama, wait till they come. Wait, where are you going? Mama, they come. Sister! Hey, come back! Sister!
Jesus, a lot is really going on in this our village. Like, I don't understand what is going on. Our king just died like that.
My sister, the thing might tire me. Like how person go just wake up, like just like that, die. Eh? Just like that.
Is this sound weird? There is something.
Are you sure it's not poison?
Because I don't know what you are saying.
But wait, so, are you sure Zitala is aware of this? You sure so? I don't
really know.
Can't we go to the house and check?
We can, no, but
what?
I don't want issue.
What issues? Our king is late, so we'll go and meet her. Maybe we'll go to the palace together.
Are you sure she did not hear it? She might have heard it now. Must it come out from your mind?
No, let's go and fetch water first. Then we'll go to their house.
What? I'm still asking. How will our king just die like that? Somebody that was not sick, full of life, just like that.
Please, let's go and fetch water. Maybe after we'll go and ask.
I'm sorry, my love. Don't be hard on yourself. Okay? Accept my condolences.
Is this a dream or a movie? Yeah? Could my father be dead now? I'm so sorry.
Please, hold on. Hold on. I heard what happened. Sorry, accept my condolences. Sorry.
It was a car, you are gone. I said it.
Chineke gbọrọ akụ. Ye kwugheri. Prince Neto. Chineke gbọrọ akụ. Ye kwugheri. N'ihe aṅụ mmanya na-enyasị. Why hụrụ aṅụ mmanya na-enyasị? Mmanya erudo aṅụ. It was a car. I told you. You don't cheat. Your ear don't cheat aeroplane. You're stubborn. You're cool. Prince Leto, you're Mogodo. That's right. Because if you are not a Mogodo, it was a car. No good die. Dinanga mayas. My rudang on the Nanga mayas. It was a car.
Chizitere.
Your Highness.
Chizitere. Save our kingdom. Save our kingdom.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Welcome. Are you okay?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm okay.
What is wrong? Is it there? Our traveling documents are in the car. They are ready. You know, by the end of the month, you should be leaving Nigeria to Germany. Over there, we are going to have our white wedding and enjoy ourselves. Stay. Are you with me?
Yes. Yes.
My love, come on. Look, the company I told you about, they are eagerly waiting for us. Yes, they are waiting for us. Imagine 1 million euros. Come on, it's a big money. And your name will be heard globally. Your name, our names. Me and you. Come on, I love you.
Are you aware that our king is dead?
Well, I am aware. Yes, I am aware, but let them bury themselves. What actually happened?
I don't know.
Well, back to what I was saying. We need to go, we need to leave, we need to travel. Let us go to Germany. Let's go. Is that you with me?
I don't know anymore. I don't know.
Igwe Onyekachi.
So what do I owe this visit?
Do you want to stop us from taking our own Igwe Zezeka, our member, your king?
We have our tradition. And on our tradition, we stand upon. Igwe Ezeka shall not be buried on any royal palace outside our kingdom. He shall be buried just like his ancestors, as his forefathers were buried in their own palace. I don't think I've said anything offensive, have I?
We have our rules. He belongs to us. Igwe Zezeka is part of us. He will never be buried in this kingdom, not even in this palace.
Igwe,
shut up and let me finish. If you ever speak against our rules, you will never find it funny. And that will be the end of your existence.
Never, never over my dead body. Igwe Ezeka shall be buried in his own palace in this kingdom. He will not be buried outside this kingdom. Yes.
We are not speaking about your culture and tradition, you know.
We have.
Will you shut up? How dare you? How dare you speak when I speak? You sit before the dreaded Igwe Mpume and you lecture me on tradition.
We don't do it.
Shut up! Shut up! Have you gone mad? Did you smoke? How dare you? How dare you teach me tradition? How dare you?
With all due respect, Igwe Mpume, our culture is our pride.
Yes.
We are not stopping anybody from performing any rites. But to take the corpse of our late king out of this kingdom to be buried somewhere else, no, we stand against it.
Iban.
We stand against it.
Yes.
Yes, we will stand against it.
I see you have grown balls to challenge the King of Kings. I also see you are eager to be laid to rest.
Igwe Mpume, I think you are taking this matter too far. Yes. This is our law. As a matter of fact, he's the second in command in this kingdom. Whatever he says that is contained in our culture sticks and stands.
Sure.
Our people do say Okwambanachi Nolulu. The same way you people have your culture and tradition, we have ours, and that defines the way of our life. Even in the time of our forefathers, no king died and was buried outside the palace and kingdom. And even in Igbo land, it's not done, and we can't start it now.
It has never happened.
Yes.
And it did not happen here.
Yes.
Igwe Ezeka belonged to a royal secret order. In that order, we have our tradition. Our tradition will be followed, not your tradition. We have spoken.
We will not allow this.
Yes.
We will not allow it.
Yes.
No. No matter what happens, we will not allow this.
Yes, it will not happen.
Our king must be buried in his own land.
Yes, EJ.
So in all, what is your suggestion?
I do not have any say in this.
They want me to be initiated into the royal coven.
Like I said, I do not have any say.
How can you say you have no say? It is your husband we are talking about here, the king, my father. So you would allow them to take his corpse outside this kingdom and be buried elsewhere? Huh?
Netochukwu, what you do not know is greater than you. Let me be sincere with you. Your father is a member of a royal court, a strong royal court at that. One of the rules of the court is that whenever a member dies, he will be buried in their coven where they believe his spirit will live with them forever.
So in essence, if I die as a member, I would not be buried in this palace?
Netochukwu, you are not dying anytime soon. So if you ask me, stop thinking about where you'll be buried for now. Let's concentrate.
I think I would stand with my people. My father's corpse shall not be moved out of this palace.
Ezeka! 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 I command you to appear before us now. King Ezeka, you shall speak to your people. We do not want war with your kingdom. But if they want war, we are ready to give it to them as they want. So I command you to go and speak to your people. Appear to whosoever that matters. Let them know that we, your members, need your corpse. You belong to us, and from eternity to eternity, you will always be part of us. Go, Ezeka. Talk to your people. Speak to them. Appear to them. Tell them we need your corpse. Go! Go! King of Kings is in desert. The King of Kings. The King of Kings.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers.
Netonna. I belong to a secret coven. Let them bury me as they wish. Let them bury me as they wish so I can find peace in the land of the dead. Do not stand on their way. Do not stand on their way. Let them bury me as they wish. Let them bury me as they wish. Let them bury me as they wish.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty.
Your Majesty, this is not our tradition. This has never happened in our land. You are a king. Kings are buried in their palace.
I shall not visit you again on this matter. Let them bury me as they wish.
You want to be buried outside our kingdom?
Let them bury me as they wish, unless you don't want my soul to rest in peace. Let them bury me as they wish.
Why? Why? This is not our culture. Why do you want to do this to our kingdom? This is strange. Why? This is not our tradition. Gods of our land, Gwanumoku, Gwanumoku. Elders of our land, speak.
The wise one, I couldn't beat my imagination of what I've heard. How could a late Igwe instruct that the royal court should bury him the way they want? And no, you told me that he said the same thing to you.
Yes, he did. Exactly what he told the chief priest, that is what he told me. In fact, he beats my imagination what to do. I do not understand. I do not know what to do now. So, what do we do? What do we do?
Are you just asking? If he says so, we don't have option than to follow his instructions.
Gods of our land.
Igwe Zeka. Igwe Zeka.
Speak. Speak. I know they go anywhere. You see that Europe, he go wait until they bury our Igwe for him palace. I know they move. I know they go any Europe. Now here I pin put. Now here I stash put. I know they move.
Sister, what did you just say?
You heard her right. She said she need to go anywhere. Why you force her to do what she don't want to, by the way? Why you want me she go where she don't want to go? If to travel they hungry you, carry your Ghana must go. Go to your maternal home. Leave her alone. This village want her.
Or for thunder fire you. Thunder strike you dead. Look at you. Sister, you are going to Europe and that's your period.
Zitere, I am your mother. You are for Europe. See Germany, period. If I may ask, what is your business with that burial? Are you related to him? No, answer me.
Even if he is your father, say, sister, you get to go to Germany, go kiss go.
Oto accord. If I slap you and your mind go, they be like say you dey mad. Come force me go to Europe now.
Says she just gather Mura, sit down, they tell and say, sister, don't say that thing again. No. What do you want me she talk? See, she no need to even travel come up from this village before people know her already. She's big famous for this village. This kingdom at large wants her. So if you want travel, boom, go your way.
Mama, you listen to what this idiot is saying.
Boy. Idiot. Uncultured animal. Oh my God. Mama, leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Mama, not behave. I will wound you.
God will punish you. Let me see you in this house. Let me see you in this compound again. Thunder fire you. After the one dance with us in this compound, come and see what that done for us. You want us to just sister.
My queen, my prince, my princess, our elders, are they hello? You get waiting at the hear when they sweet me for my ear. The tea no pure, no stew, no porkish. I hear say our Igwe say they no go bury him for this kingdom. Say they go carry him dead body come out from this palace. Ha! I say man call clear on and say no go happen no. No, you no go sup, I no go dey alive, me they no bury my king for this kingdom. For his own kingdom, I no agree. They must bury him. Anybody when try move the body come up for here go collect the wine.
Who are you? I will give you the right, the infantry to stand before the royal household to spill that.
Oye Kurudati, who be this one? When you jump out, come for you, they matter, they follow you talk. You be prince, I be you be lolo. What my picture not in your house? You don't get respect because I greet you. See this small pikin, I dey talk, you dey talk. Don't try am again. You dey feel me? If I dey talk, you pump me. You pim. Don't try am more. I'm not well, oh.
You dare speak to me in such manner?
Huh? How dare you? You die. I mean you slap. The craze. You dey mad? You dey mad? Don't bother your head.
Babe.
Sister, please. Please leave from here. War. There is war. Please, my child, leave.
Mama, if I come out from this place, if I come out from this place, may this guy up and swallow me the wine. I never go anywhere. May those guys come again, I go beat shit for their body. Their body go surplus. You go see him. You go hear this calls.
Sister, please now. Please. Sister, please.
You don't go shut up. I'm not gonna talk. What are you gonna talk? You the craze? What try am again, oh?
Sister, you want to kill me before my time? Please, my child, leave. This time around, they are not coming to pick you with guards. They will pick you with police.
Mama. Mama, stop this thing. I am here. A good Nabud. Mama, I have Kuwait dinner. 1 million Kuwait dinner. I have euros. I have dollars. Mama,
you don't understand. This is not all about money. This is about her life. If you love her, please tell her to leave from here. Please, there is war.
Mama, you know, say, Baba so take igwe. You never know boutique ma. Who date me?
They go anywhere. Hey! Sister, you want to give me Sister, hey! Mama, is this please, you have to leave. They will kill you for me, please. Sister, Mama is crying, no.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Did you just speak? I can't hear anything. I cannot hear what's happening. I can't hear. Where's my father? Where's the girl?
Wait. Princess Uda, you mean you cannot hear me? Can you hear me? You can hear me, right? You can hear me.
I'm seeing you. Your lips are moving, but I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. What's happening?
Babe. No way. This can't happen.
You cannot hear me.
I can't hear anything.
There's a problem.
There's a problem. This cannot be.
Wait, princess. You mean you cannot hear me? Like la. You cannot hear it.
You cannot hear me.
Princess, your ear, is it doing? How is this happening inside your ear?
Speak louder.
It's okay.
The girl says she cannot follow us.
A girl! Are you mad? The girl told you she won't follow you, and you allow her words stand against mine. Come here! How dare you?
Will you go and get the girl before my presence? You fool. Can't you see she has caused damage here? Go and bring that girl to me!
I want to see my father. I want to see my father.
Your father would come. Okay, relax. I'm sorry.
I can't hear anything. I can't.
Your father is.
A girl came to this palace and slapped me. What? And then let her live here. No, I cannot hear anything. I can't hear anything, father.
Father is here now. Did you hear my daughter? Who slapped my daughter in your kingdom? Who? Oh, which girl had the guts to slap my daughter? Do you want me to wipe out your entire kingdom?
Please.
Want your kingdom to be littered with dead bodies?
Please calm down. It has not gotten to that. As we speak, I have ordered for her arrest and the police is on their way.
And the guards have gone to bring the girl to the palace.
Give me the girl, that's all I want.
You have her.
Give me the girl.
You will have her. Please. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry.
Father, I can't hear anything.
It's okay, It's okay, my darling. It's okay, you'll be fine. I'll take care of you. You rest assured, the girl who slapped you will be dead before the end of today.
Why small pikin go tear me slap for waiting? I don't agree. She collect woto.
You tear her slap. You heard when the guard says that the girl you slapped is now deaf.
Who amongst you slapped Igwepume's daughter and got her deaf?
Nami. She tear me slap, now tear am back. Why small pikin go slap me? She don't get respect?
If you know what is good for your life, run away from here, for he is coming after your life.
Hey! I'm finished. Nna, if you love her, take her out of this kingdom now. Please.
Mama, nothing dey happen. A good Nabut is here, Mama. My Zite is covered. Nothing dey happen.
I am running out of patience. Can you hear me? I am running out of patience, Lord.
Please, I'm begging you.
Give me the girl. People will begin to die in your kingdom. Give me the girl.
Please, she will soon be here. They will soon bring her. I am begging you.
My king.
Where's the girl?
She refused to fool us.
Huh?
Are you mad? So what's your duty as guards? She refused to follow you. You did what? You left her? Huh? You don't know you should drag her down here.
Igwebume, please don't be so angry. Don't be so angry. It's just an ordinary slap. Don't be that angry. Things will be sorted out. Don't be angry. It's just a slap. Angry.
I will not take it. I will not take it. Igwebume will have to face the law. Because this is barbaric. This is evil. This is injustice. This is mass slaughter, Mom. Right before our very own eyes, he shot a king's man dead. Because of what? Because of his daughter. This is no way to go. This is not right. And I will not take it.
Netsuchuku, calm down. Calm down. The girl slapped Princess Udara, your future queen. Do you expect the father to react less?
Mom, can you hear yourself out? Can you hear yourself speak? You were here. We were here right before our very own eyes. The princess slapped the girl first. Does that call to killing? Does that call to spilling blood in my own kingdom, in my palace?
You had better told the king that I, Prince Netona, the son of Igwezeka, and the heir apparent to the throne of Iyato kingdom, would not stand and watch him become a tyrant in my own kingdom. I will not take it.
Mama, leave me.
You will not go anywhere.
Mama, I don't like this.
I said you will not go anywhere.
Mama, what is the meaning of all this now? Mama, leave the way. Let me pass now. What's going on?
You will not step an inch here.
Mama, I don't like this. So, what's the meaning of this? Why are you disturbing my life?
You are not going anywhere. If you move an inch, I will disown you.
Okay now. I know your plan is for me to go with you to Lagos. I'm not going to travel with you. I dey go that place. My king's body must be buried in his palace. I must go there. And I'm not going to stop you.
Babe, stop. Stop. You have to calm down.
I'm not going to calm down. I want to go. What's the meaning of this? Mama, please lead the way. Mama, I don't want to.
You are not stepping an inch.
Mama, don't leave the way for her. Stay there.
Leave the gun.
You don't touch my gun.
Leave the gun.
Leave this thing now.
Just
unnecessary stuff.
Come and stay.
Mama, stay there!
She's not going anywhere.
What is the name of the young girl? Chizitere is her name. Chizitere! You dare touch the tail of the tiger. No one touches our own and stays alive. Therefore, I command your spirit and your soul to appear before Zuma courts of fraternity and face the death that you deserve. Chizitere! 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 Appear!
Great one, what is going on?
I am sure that is not her ribbon. She should appear. It looks so strange.
Her name is Chizitere. I am certain.
But the mirror is empty. I don't think that Chizitere is her ribbon. We don't need to argue about this.
Ume, you need to confirm at this point that Chizitere is her name so that we know what we are doing.
I am sure, Great One. Her name is Chizitere. They call her Zitere, the village wrestler.
I can see all of that here, but the name is not bringing forth her image. You need to go and be sure that Zitere is her name.
Good day, Your Highness.
I'm looking for a girl named Chizitere, the daughter of late Mazi Okafor, from this village.
No. I don't know what you're talking about. I've never heard of that name before.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Hey, will you get back here? How dare you? You have an idea who I am. Don't you know that walking out on me can cost you your life? Comport yourself.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. But sir, I don't know this person you're talking about.
Her name is Chizitere. She's a wrestler in this village. Do you know her?
I know there's a wrestler in this village, but I don't know where she is.
Let me see your palms.
Hmm?
You heard me. Why is it shaking? I'm asking you, why is it shaking? You're lying to me, right?
No, sir. My hand is shaking because I'm standing before Your Highness, the greatest man in this kingdom. I've never experienced this kind of thing before. That's why my hand is shaking, sir. But I don't know where Chizitere is. I've never heard of that name before.
Are you lying to me? Are you Chizitere? Help me find her. Her name is Chizitere. She's a wrestler in this village. Chizitere Okafo. Find her, and I'll give you 5 million now.
Okay, sir. Akatapo, I no come your shrine, I can't do anything with you. You know me very well, I don't get that kind of time. I come here to conclude you say our Igwe must be buried in his palace. You dey feel me?
Chizitere, but that is not what the spirit said to me. Young lady.
Now fake spirit they talk to since, manipulated spirit. They don't manipulate with now bad spirit they yarn with since. I know what they talk. My Igwe appeared to me and said, don't allow my body out of his palace. He said you must be buried in his palace. Don't allow pressure and heat from anybody. If you allow pressure and heat that your head will go land put. I don't tell you my own. Don't allow pressure from all these people, from anybody. If you allow pressure and heat, go bury our Igwe come up from the palace. Anything you see, you go take up. It go land for your head. I don't talk my own. Tell everybody, our Igwe must be buried in his palace. They feel me?
Ebaenanka, aputa baekwa nozo, onagaga, onejeje, and the gods are silent. They have refused to speak to me, their mouthpiece. What type of confusion is this? Hey.
Cat! Sister! I won't die. What did they stop you now, Queen? My Igwe say make your body no come out from this palace. They say make them seize me for waiting.
Guards, are you deaf? I said seize her!
No one will seize her. You must not touch her.
Neto, have you gone mad? How dare you flout my order?
Better person, I bet. What's in the stop now? The Igwe dead body still in the palace.
Yes. Igwe is currently searching for you around the village. Well, I shall show you safety. So long as you stay in this palace, no one will dare touch you.
My brother, nobody will fit touch me. They never born the person when go touch me. If na war, I ready for them. You dey feel me? But you steal. Your papa blood dey run for your body. You be better person. Man go run things for street. I'll come back. You dey feel me? When you quit, you go dey kpo. You go dey kpo. You dey feel me? Only whine yourself, oh.
Neto, have you lost your senses? This girl attacked your fiancé and you allowed her go just like that?
Mother, allow me lose my senses because it seems to me that at this point, you do not understand the magnitude of what is happening in this palace. Can't you see it?
Neto, come back here. Come back here. No, you have to answer. Neto!
They want make I come out so that they go move my Igwe body come out for the palace. I no go agree. Now this kingdom I go stay. Make I see what will happen. I no go go anywhere. Go anywhere.
Who's it there? Eh? My love, come on now. Let's go back to the house. Look, your life is in danger in this village. These people are coming after you. Even all of them. Eh?
Make I go back to your house. Be like say you want yourself. Guy, I know they come out from here. Now this kingdom I pay inputs. Man come out from this kingdom, make them move my Igwe body. I no try am. I don't promise my Igwe say they must bury him body for in palace. I must protect in their body. I know they move go anywhere.
My love, come on now. These people are after your life.
I beg, go kill all this. I don't get time for love matter. Na serious business be this. They feel me.
I understand you are Chizitere's cousin. Where is she?
I don't know, I don't know. I don't know. I've not seen her today.
Are you lying to me? Do you want to die?
No. No. I've not seen her today.
You, hey. What's her full name?
Hey, no. Yes, sir. Listen. Okafor. No, I'm sorry, sir. I mean, Chizetara Okafor. I mean, Chizetara Blessing Okafor.
Where is she now?
House. Her house.
You know her house?
Yes, sir. I know her house. I can take them. We can take them.
We'll go with both of them to Chizetara's house. So once you see her there, bring her here. If you do not find her, waste both of them.
Hey! Lisa! I'm the only daughter of my father, sir! Lisa! Chima! Lisa!
I am going to protect the body of my Igwe and I'm not going to come out from this kingdom. Anything where I want sup, make it sup. And they wait for them. I know they fear anybody. I fear no man. They whine. Beg, just enter your car, dig.
A man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave. No one can test.
Chizitere, you must leave this town. Bounty has been placed on your head. Igwe Nkume is hunting for you and your family. You must leave this town now. See!
Go tell the gods where send you message, can't give me say, and then they go anywhere. In fact, tell them say they wait for them. Anything you want to make it happen. But you see this kingdom, I don't go promote. My Igwe's body must be buried in this palace. You tell me, tell them all. I know they go anywhere. I know they waste their time. They advise me. Enter your car, they go. I do my kingdom.
My love.
Love, don't die right now.
Afa?
She's strong
and
mighty.
No! Afa, don't do this thing, Afa! No! Afa! Who did this to you?
By the powers of the gods.
Afa is dead though, they don't kill him more. Afa! No, they have killed Afa. I'm not going to do this to Afa. They don't kill him.
Are you telling me the girl we saw on the road who denied knowing Chizitere, same girl is actually Chizitere?
Yes, sir.
And she killed my chief guard?
Yes, sir.
Leave us.
Father, what is going on?
What is he saying? Where is the girl? Where is she? They can't get her. Father, talk to me.
I'll handle it. Don't panic.
Father, I can't hear you. Can you speak louder?
I said I will handle it. Do not panic.
What did you say?
I said I'm going to take care of it. Do not panic. Go upstairs.
Eh?
Leave me.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men. in the name of royalty.
He killed Ofo. Hey! What have we gotten ourselves into? What has my daughter gotten herself into?
Sister, you better listen to us now. Please.
This fight no go end though. I must do something. I must avenge Ofo's death. I no go gree oh. This fight, Mama, it no go end for here. Let me talk am.
Which fight? Which fight are you talking about? Maybe your sister want to give me BP. You've forgotten how they killed your only brother, Kosi.
Mama, forget that thing. Leave that matter. As we dey talk, Ofo body dey for road. Lie down for there. You say make I not do something? No! I must do something. Everywhere go burst. The body go surplus. I must avenge his death, Mama. In fact, I know they come out from this village again. Now yeah, I put anything you want to make it happen. Any war where they bring, I am ready for it.
Mama, police will handle this matter.
Even if the police handle the matter, I no go gree. I must do my own. What do I really do for this place, I beg? Can't rubbish with this.
Sister, please help me. Help me, please. My daughter is going to die. Please.
With all due respect, what happened was not enough reason for you to take the life of one of the elders. It wasn't. As we are having this conversation right now, the elders and the youth of my kingdom are enraged, and I do not know what their next plan would be.
You should be more concerned about finding the bastard who hit my daughter. Tell your people that I will return. And when I do, they will feel the rage of Ikwempume. The rage they have never seen all their lives. Get me the girl who slapped my daughter.
See them evil men,
Leave.
all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty.
Chizitere Oka for blessing. Chizitere Oka for blessing. Chizitere Oka for blessing. Appear here. Chizitere Oka for blessing. Appear here. Appear here.
Our marriage plan is over. We are no longer together. Your father is a murderer. And I am disappointed. Your father came to my kingdom and killed one of my kinsmen right in front of me. And you are deaf. I cannot marry you. My father is... see, we can talk about this. My father is not... my father... Okay, we can talk about this, okay? You cannot just call up our engagement like that. Babe, wait. See, I'm going to get my ears treated, okay? I'm flying out. Babe, wait. You don't have to do this to us. You don't have to do this. You don't have to call up our engagement, please. Okay, you see, we're going to fix things, okay? We're going to make this one, baby.
Let me go. Go in! Search for them! Bring her out! Bring her out! Search for them! Any living being! Bring them out! Let her face me! Let her face me! I want to kill her! I can't find anyone. I've searched everywhere. I can't see them. How? Like this now, yeah? This could not escape. Like this time, this could not escape, and I tell you. They don't need you. They don't need you. They don't escape. Come, move.
I'm sure he will soon be here. Here he comes.
Welcome, Mother. Why did you call me out?
Please sit.
Mother, I'm fine. I wish to know the reason you called me out.
Sit down.
Mother,
we need to have a chat.
I'm fine.
Prepare yourself for your initiation, son.
I refuse to be initiated.
Neto, please listen to me. I am your mother. and I will do anything within my power to protect you. But this he said right now is like a rule for all of them. You must have to replace your father.
Mother, I am not replacing anybody. I am not my father. Yes. And listen very carefully. Igwe Mpume. Today marks the very last time you stroll into this kingdom, enter my palace, and talk to me about this again.
I am your godfather. You will not challenge me, boy. You called off your engagement to my daughter. That's a big joke.
Your daughter is ear impaired. Your daughter supports your evil act. Your daughter is a member of your secret cult. Your daughter at this very moment will not and will never fit to be my queen. Gone are those era when kings kill and butcher people the way they like. Not this time.
Ujuako, your son is daring a lion. Your son is daring the most dreaded king alive, Igwe Mpume. He may not live to tell the story.
Then I dare you. I dare you, Igwe Mpume Don Williams. I dare you.
Enough. Nato. Enough! Leave my presence. Leave my presence!
Inform your son, woman. When he is done ranting, he will meet us at our secret coven. There he will get initiated.
God save our land. Why not take my life already?
Bulum bulum bum bum bulum 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 bum 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 bulum 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 bum 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 bulum 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 bum 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 bulum 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 bum 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 bulum.
Eke, tell me how much. Afọ. Eze onye kachi.
She's there. She can never escape us.
I mean it, they can never escape us. We must see the end of this journey.
They will never escape us. You see that idiot? That Fatibombo. He's very lucky. I would have squeezed all the fat out of his belly. I just targeted his head. By now he will never survive it.
I think so.
See, let me tell you the truth, guys. Our king trusts us. That is why he gave us the job. You understand? So we must accomplish it. We go hold them. As for them, we go. Make no worry, we go catch them. We go. This. Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
Bolum 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 bolum. No one is above Zumako's importance.
King David! And destroy Chizidere. Strike her! Kill her! Go! Go!
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men. In the name of royalty,
Sister, what is it? He's awake, oh. He's awake, he just opened his eyes. Yes, sister.
Zita, please. We need to leave. We need to leave this town. This man will definitely find you. And he will get you. Look, he will do all he can to bring you down.
Okay now. You suppose don't know me by now, say anything when I help, I must do him. You see this fight when I start, I must finish him. There's no turning back. You know why? Say, thank God, say, you are getting better. The only thing you will do for me is to carry my people come out from this kingdom. Forget this fight, leave her for me. I must finish this fight, oh. I must see to the end of this fight.
Okay, Zita, if your king spoke to you as you said. How come this spirit is fighting you? Can't you see?
Manipulation. They manipulate the man ghost. I know the code, I know what they saw, I know everything. They manipulate the man's spirit so that will allow them bury the man out of his kingdom. Don't lie. My king, my ego must be buried in his palace. I know what they suck now. All their manipulations no go work. I'm ready for them. Any corner where they pass, I am ready for them. No worry. But wait, so okay now. What's going to happen? I don't need you to be like this. So before you, the game more. Why you can't fear like this? What changed?
Because I don't want anything to happen to you. You know I love you.
She is strong and mighty, a man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave, no one can test. She's a warrior, a born warrior, and she's endowed by the powers of the gods.
Mama, okay, now we'll carry you and Ebere come out from this house. Where are you going to? I get things to handle. I'll be alright. Ebere, take care of Mama.
Sister, why are you doing this?
I said I'll be alright.
Mama is okay. Stop crying. Please, stop crying. She will be fine. Please, Mama, stop crying. Please, Mama is okay now. Or do you want me to start crying? I'll join you. It's okay. Mama, please now, please. It's okay.
Never! Not under my watch. My father's corpse cannot be buried elsewhere except this palace. Oh no. Mazindukwe, you do not have to fear. I am solidly behind you and nothing will happen to you. Igwe is just a toothless dog. He cannot do more than a dead rat.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see.
What is it? What brought you here? Speak to me. You can talk to me. For the last time, what is it? Speak!
My prince. My prince. Promise me you will protect me.
I'll protect you. You have my word.
The king is going to die.
What?
It was a dream. It was a dream. I had a dream. The king came to me. He said they will die soon.
My father. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, my prince.
And is that all he told you?
He said when he dies, don't let his corpse to be buried outside the palace or the kingdom.
My father that is hell and hearty.
Yes, my prince. That's the message. But, my prince, you promised to protect me. Even though it was a dream, the king might still take it hard on me if he gets to hear it. Please.
Leave. Mom, what's going on?
Your father is just angry. He was furious and left in anger.
he stepped out at this hour with no guards. Why? What's happening?
I can't tell. I cannot tell. He has refused to speak to me. I don't know.
What made him angry? Why? Why? You should know, Mom. Anytime I ask you, you keep saying you do not have any idea. Why? What's going on, Mom? Please talk to me. What's wrong with my father?
Thank you for reminding me. As if I'm not being trying.
You can talk to me. What is going on? Tell me if you have an idea, please. What is it?
Neto, if I have an idea, I won't tell you. What will I be keeping it for? Your father is being difficult.
You know, I find this very difficult to believe. Please, I am begging you. His presence has been waiting in this palace. He has changed totally.
If you're feeling like this, how do you think I'll be feeling as his wife?
My father came to my dream. He warned me to allow his friends bury him the way they want.
Well, until your father appears to me again and says otherwise, I will not stop fighting for him. Your papa appeared to me. Then he said, make I allow them bury him for in palace. That his body must not be taken out of this palace. That's what your father told me to tell you.
Wait, my father told you that?
What did they talk since? Yes, now, he appeared to me. He was our king. He was king to everybody.
You slapped my girlfriend.
Now, what might be your problem? When you talk about how they go to bury your papa, you're talking about a woman. I don't understand children of these days. You're going to use your medulla oblongata. You don't get sense.
See them evil men in the name of royalty.
Son, the gods are wise.
Appear before Zubako's fraternity.
Bulum 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 bulum. Bulum bulum bum 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 bulum bulum. Bulum 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 bulum.
You will take my daughter to the airport. International wing. She'll be flying to London today. I made you a vow that I will catch the idiots that did this to you. I caught her. I dealt with her mercilessly. She's dead. But you know me very well. You know your father. I will not stop there. I will wipe out our entire lineage.
Father, Metona.
I understand. First, you need to fly out, okay? Fly out so you can get treatment for. Alright. When you return, you'll be fine, and then you and Netona will get married. Okay? First you need to fly out, go abroad and treat your ears, okay? Daddy loves you.
Okay, Father.
Drive carefully, yeah? Your son wants to taste my wrath.
He and the elders has fixed the prayer for tomorrow. What are your conclusions?
We shall be there. Let the boy do his wish. We shall come for our own.
I perfectly understand the sound of your voice. Whatever it is, do not harm my son. Do not harm my son. Please.
Go back to your kingdom, woman. This is not the time for words.
Do not harm my son. I repeat, do not harm my son. He is my only son. Please. Please.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with
Henceforth, I pronounce you the queen of my heart.
Lizzy, what was that closure about? Netochukwu, I asked a question. Sit down. I'd like us to have a word.
Princess Udara will not be present at the burial. She has left for London for her surgery. But then, Nitona, how could you be this cruel to a woman you call your own? How much wickedness do you have inside those balls of yours? How could you treat a woman you call your own with much resentment and hatred? No calls, no texts, no nothing. Do not tell me that it is because of what I just witnessed.
Mother, I have found a woman for myself.
You must be kidding. Tell me you are kidding already.
After the burial of my father, I will introduce her to everyone.
Neto. Neto na. Neto Chukwu. Neto! Neto!
Speak, say something. What's going on? Why are you behaving like this? Eh? Talk to us now. Say something. Ha! If you don't talk to us, I wonder who else you will talk to. Say something now, Akuma.
Abrade, Uchechi, leave us. What's your relationship with my son?
Ikwe, I don't have anything to do with the prince.
Who is the girl he intends to marry instead of Princess Udara?
Ikwe, I don't know. I don't know.
Listen to me. If I find out that you have any clue about the question I just asked you, I will decided to lie to me. Trust me, I will not hurt you. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
What did she say? Why are you crying? What did she say? Talk to us now. Talk. It's okay, sorry.
This is for everyone you killed in my kingdom. This is for all of them.
I see you want to die, woman. You can never defeat me. I am Igwempume. I give you 3 counts to get out of my compound. 3 counts, else you'll be dead.
Things are they follow you play. They're mad.
have to relax your mind. She is no more. It is only a dream.
Of course I am relaxed. I am always relaxed. But the dream looks so real. So real.
You need to go back to your kingdom. We have to focus on how to bring back the body of our own. Remember, his body needs to always be with us, so that you can rule over his kingdom, which you have already conquered. Go back to your kingdom and be relaxed. Remember, tomorrow morning is a great day for us that are living.
Thank you, great one.
See them evil men.
My friend, are we begging him? Are you begging them? No. Foolish people. Fools. Look at this man. And you see. Don't worry. Igwe.
Good job, good job. Good job.
My king, they were trying to escape. But we attacked and subdued them all. This is a family. This one here, he kept them in his house.
I see. You all are going to die tonight. Lock them up.
Yes, you go. Now move! Come on. Go up! Move! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Now. Stand up now! My friend, get up! Get up! Get up now! Come on.
Are you watching? This is how we are going to die.
Ndị amakwụkwọ mgba n'ụzọ mgba mmiri na-asa agha agụ na-asa batasịa bụ ndụ n'obodo a, in this village, after traveling over 7 rivers and 7 forests. If you get a good onye dị ọdọkpụkpụ dịka ịgba a na-agba anyanwụ ụzọ bụ isi otu na-eke na ọ na-atebe ihe nye aka ka ndị adị n'ime nka inside cell, bone cell, not even external cell. I don't enter cell for abroad, I don't enter cell for Germany, I don't enter cell for one day for you. This is a local village.
Why do you want to disobey me, Netuna?
Father, speak to the lady you have been speaking to. I want to hear from her if truly you do not want me to lay you to rest in your own palace.
You are my son, and you must do as I say. Give me that respect.
Speak to Chiziterem or Akwama, and I shall do what you want.
Chizitere is dead and gone. You want to be stubborn? I will kill you.
dream. I saw everything. I saw it. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's okay. It will happen to you. I'm here for you.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey.
Ezeka! Ezeka! Do not be stubborn! You belong to us, and you will always be part of us.
We have come to take you to a safe place where you belong.
Make nobody touch that casket. Anybody wey try go collect water. I don't well, I'm gonna go ask question. I don't whine. Anybody do anyhow for this place, I go buy that person. I go buy all of them. Nothing go stop. I don't well, I'm gonna go ask question. My king must be buried in this kingdom, in his palace by his people. Anybody wey do anyhow go collect water. Now they feel me. This casket is not leaving this place. I love war. Now me be war. I was born for war. Let's not the wine for this place. I get to date you. Nothing they enter my body. Okay, I see. I know say una carry odechi. I prepare for una come. I have your cure. Don't worry. Una mind go dey. If you can't touch the casket now, so una dey fear. My prince. My prince. Mama? Okay na? Ebere? Mama?
She is strong and mighty, a man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave, no one can test.
When is the king going to pay us our money for the job we did now?
My brother, I won down. I don't know why he's taking time to pay us our money. That man is being stingy. It's not fair. Imagine doing all that kind of work. Even the way we even grab that baby elephant. You know it's not easy. Let him give us our money. Why is he being stingy? Imagine. Wow. I'm Harry. Oh yeah. Hey, hey, wait, put your hand. Okay, don't worry you. Yeah, grab this your hand first. Okay, then. I don't understand. No, what for you? Okay, just come. What can chop me? Yes, it's Itajina. I want that. Guys, I'm working at polish shoe. No, Baby the chop. No mind now. When you chop the car, I'll give another person chop ya. That day I called her. I asked her to come. Oh, the no. What the bata malu? She did not pick my call. You see? Don't mind that. Amaka. From where? Very stingy. Oh! And I cash, man, I kind. Now she wants to eat her yam. Where do you come? I just leave you because of one thing, you know.
This is another person.
What you carry you come?
Never here.
You know what? No.
Chizitere is alive.
Chizitere?
Ha!
Wait. Chizitere that is dead or I don't understand.
Chizitere dead. How?
Yes now.
I thought it was a joke, until I saw her with my 2 eyes. Use my 2 eyes.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Are you sure? Yeah, are you very, very sure you saw her with your 2 naked eyes?
Saw her with my eyes. She's healthy and strong.
Ha!
She's alive.
Ejike, is it not same Chizitere that the king told us he killed? I didn't say anything. No.
He didn't say anything.
I didn't say anything. No.
No,
Ejike, did you say anything?
You did not say.
Sorry.
You did not say anything, no.
I didn't say anything. Did you hear anything? I didn't say anything, no.
Come and go.
You said king did we?
Go on, bye. We'll talk to you later.
Let me take one more.
What is all this? Go. I went up. I thought if that girl is still alive, that means we're in trouble. Don't forget we're the one that kidnapped his family. And that big baby elephant. Don't forget though, if she comes here, we're in trouble. Hey! When we are gone. Help
I thought we've killed her. I thought she was dead. I need an answer. Someone the great Zomagosa. Someone who now.
This is impossible. This is impossible. Totally unacceptable. Nobody does this to us. Nobody defeats our fatality. Nobody. How much more a little girl? Great one, do something. Something must be done.
Igwem Ume, you said you have her family hostage.
Yes, right in my palace.
Then we need her mother's blood. We need her mother's blood to neutralize all her powers and charms.
Consider it done.
Get her mother's blood! Bulum 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 bulum. 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 Bulum 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 bulum.
Yes, who is there?
Where the king? If you not talk, I go blast your brains for here. Where is he?
I don't know. Please, I don't know.
You don't know? You think I'm joking with you? Where is the king?
Sorry, I have something to tell you. They brought your mother, your sister, and your cousin with one other man. Yes, they're in our cell. I can take you to them.
Who carry them come here?
It's Ebuka, Okachi, and
Move! Take me to the cell now!
Please don't shoot me, please.
Igwe Okume! Come out and face me! You must pay dearly for touching my family! Come out! Don't be a coward! Igwe Okume! I'm talking to you! Come out!
I see you've made up your mind to die, little girl. Challenging the dreaded Igwempume is an abomination, and the punishment is death.
Ah!
Get up and fight me. You want to fight me?
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty.
Promise me my son will get up.
Yes, I promise you. He will be fine.
No.
We'll do something about it.
Promise me you will come back to normalcy.
I promise you. He will be fine. We'll surely do something about it.
Me too.
Where are you? Where is he? You black woman! Come and face me! Come out and face me! Come out! I am in your palace! Come out and face me! You're a coward! Show yourself! You black woman! You black woman! Come and face me! Come out! You have to come out! Come out! You black woman! Hey! You black woman! If anything happens to my son, where is he? Oh God! You black woman! I don't know where you're hiding. But if anything happens to my son, you will have to kill me. You have to kill me before you walk free on the surface of earth again. You black woman, come out! Come out! I thought you are the strongest. You black woman, the gods of our land will not let you go free. The gods of our land will not let you go free. Come out! Nothing should happen to my son, no! Nothing should happen to my son! Wherever you are, nothing should happen to my son! You black woman! Okay, it's alright! It's okay if you refuse to come out, don't worry!
I couldn't find her mother. I think she escaped. I do not know how it happened.
This is no longer our fight, and we can no longer help you. I advise you to leave her alone.
Leader, I say no. That girl humiliated me. Nobody does that to me and goes scot-free. I will bring her down.
You started this fight in the first place, and you must face this music all alone.
Are you mad? How dare you speak to me in that manner? I am Igwempume. I am the king of kings. I am your supreme leader. All of you will bow to me at every point. So I say we come together. Come under me. We go fight their kingdom and bring the kingdom to its knees.
You betray your best friend. You're standing here before us. Now I want us to fight your battle. It's not possible. Because we don't have powers over Ezekiel again. He has been buried.
King Ezekiel separated from us. He is no longer part of us, and we can no longer harm anyone from his kingdom. I advise you to move on.
What about the little girl who humiliated us?
That girl is so powerful. Your best decision is to give up on her so you don't join us.
You brought this upon yourself.
Can you hear me? Shame on both of you! You call yourselves the dead, yet you have no powers. I've always known dead people to have powers! Spiritual powers! What about both of you? No powers at all! You never know you jack! Slave beings, that's what you are! Shameless people, that's what you are. All of you here cowards. Lily-livered people, that's what you are. Slave queens, victim bodies, you should be ashamed of yourselves. When you talk about men, black or men, men are poor. Shame on all of you. You can't even fight to bring down a little kingdom. You cannot bring down a small girl. You should be ashamed of yourselves. And you listen to me. I have not forgotten. I gave you all 200 million naira each so you will support me the day coming. Can you hear me? The day coming. Igwe is a threatened man. Igwe is not the kind of man you defraud and go scot-free. Impossible. Man, now, everybody know here. What happened to just walking there? Give me my money. Where's my money?
Bulum bulum bum 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 bulum bulum. Bulum 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 bum 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 bulum bulum. Bulum bulum bum 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 bulum bulum.
See them evil men,
bulum bulum bum 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 bulum bulum.
men in royalty, they are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty. Aye.
Officer, go up. Okay? Check everywhere. Be fast.
Did you find him?
I searched everywhere. It's not there.
No one is there.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
See them evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men in the name of royalty. Aye. evil men, all caught men in royalty. They are ruling with evil powers. Hey, see them evil men.
I made you a promise, my daughter, that if you graduate from the university with good grades, I was going to get you a car.
Yes, sir.
Good. You did exactly that. So, promise fulfilled. Your car is parked outside.
Oh my gosh! Daddy, you got me a car! Oh my god! Where is it?
Igwe Okume, come out! Where are you? Show your face! I know you are in here! I came prepared! I know you are in there! Come out! Stop hiding! Igwe Okume! Okume! This is your end.
I am Igwe Mpume. I shall return.
I'll be waiting.
She is strong and mighty, a man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave, no one can test. She's a warrior, a born warrior, and she's endowed by the powers of the gods. Hey yo, Jesus is a warrior. Hey yo.
Igwe is the second, my chief. Oh no! Oh no! Igwe is the cowboy.
Come here. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Congratulations. You're welcome. The latest queen.
Yes.
May your reign stay forever.
And you shall live long.
Come here. It's not about you. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. My elders.
Chizitere, I want to use this opportunity to formally thank you for everything. You fought the battle like you were one of us. Now you're one of us.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
you shall live long.
Cha 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 DJ one.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
One. Yeah. Let's marry.
I don't know these people. I don't know them. They don't know criminal. I don't follow. Officer, look at me. Do I look like a thief? Do I look like a kidnapper? Do I look like a thief?
Are you making noise? Are they innocent?
My baby. Zite. Let me help you. Yeah.
Make sure you people call when you get to Europe.
Mama, don't worry, we are going to call.
Okay. What about you?
Yes, no, don't worry yourself. I am a good in a boat. Hard callings. I work things out so that you and Mark can join us in Germany.
Trust you. Okay.
Sister, I miss you.
I'll miss you people too. Mama, I'll miss you. You heard what I told you. Be careful. Makanyage. Enugo, my son, please take care of my daughter. This kingdom named her the strongest woman in the land. Our new king is proud of her. And I am also proud of my daughter.
Mama, I'm proud of the new king. His reign will be peaceful, and I know that the gods, they are with him. Mama, I'll miss you. Don't cry. I'll be calling you. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. I got probably 1 million euros.
Okay. Please
take
care.
She's strong and mighty, a man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave, no one can test. She's a warrior, a born warrior, and she's endowed by the powers of the gods. Hey yo, Jesus is a warrior. Hey yo. She's strong and mighty, a man in a woman's body. She is fearless and brave, no one can test. She's a warrior, a born warrior, and she's endowed by the powers of the gods. Hey yo, Jesus is a